Hello, in front of me I've got NUKI Smart Lock. In this video I'll show you how to invite users to the app. In the beginning, let's go to NUKI app, and now you can invite users by going to this menu. Select Invite User, enter username. Now you can enable remote access for him, auto unlock and time limited access. Tap Next and give the user this QR code to scan. The invitation is valid for 48 hours. Also, you can go to Settings and go to User. Tap Add and then proceed with the same steps. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.